How to fix Roblox Error Code 600. This account is prohibited from accessing this experience. First, let's know what the error code is about. So if your Roblox says the error code 600, it basically means the creator of this experience has banned you from accessing it. It might be because you have violated the rules or some kind of regulations on their server. So in order to fix it, the only thing that you can do is go to Roblox support, tap on the first link, and from here you can log into your account, enter your username. Your first name is optional. Enter the email address that you have access to so that the Roblox support team can contact you, confirm your address. Then you can click on issues, so choose your device, if it's Android, tablet, PC or Mac. Then you can select the help category and you can select technical support here. Then you can write a short description. So from here you can select cannot visit experience to be specific. And from here you can write a short description about how you cannot access a certain kind of experience because the creator has banned you from that. And once you submit your form, the ticket will be created and it will be submitted to the Roblox help and support team. Hopefully they should be able to reach back out to you within a day or two and try to fix your problem. Once they have contacted you, they should have a solution to the problem and you should be able to enjoy the experience after that. I hope you found the video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.